So hello, today we're continuing our series of conversations on the Frictionless Enterprise, focusing on the topic of finance. I'm delighted to be joined by Capgemini's Robert Piotrowski, our global process owner for Record to Analyze. Robert, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to be part of this today.
My pleasure. It's great to be here.
So today I'd like to center the conversation on AI.Controllership. This is Capgemini's solution that's integral to driving the frictionless enterprise. But let's start by talking a little bit about the challenges of traditional period end close reporting and controllership. So Robert, in your experience, what do you think these challenges are?
Today, finance departments are operating under constant pressure from internal and external parties. Internally, they are obliged to deliver an increasing number of insights to support business decisions. Externally, they are operating in an environment that is becoming more and more complex from one year to another. On top of this, most of the finance departments in most of the countries are coming under increasing scrutiny and pressure from tax authorities. So all of these factors together make them struggling to deliver at a desired pace and quality. And we need to remember that compliance is key in R2A. We cannot compromise on it.
Right, and traditionally finance departments operate according to monthly cycles with the effort concentrated on a few working days at the end of the month. And that really leaves them no time for analysis and insight generation. Do you agree?
Yes, exactly. The challenge for the finance community today is to move away from what I call the traditional once-a-month mindset and to deliver outcomes through a continuous accounting approach with continuous analytics, continuous reporting, and real-time access to data. In order to respond successfully to business needs, it is paramount for the Record to Analyze function to reimagine and re-engineer the entire cycle of the accounting, close, and reporting processes. Finance must finally evolve from simply being a number crunching function to strategic business advisor.
Okay, yeah, that's really interesting. So how would you then suggest a business unlocks value from their R2A function by leveraging technology?
Well, this is where we can talk about our Capgemini's AI.Controllership solution. It is a platform-based solution that integrates with corporate systems. It infuses a lot of technology and AI into accounting, reconciliation, close, reporting, and compliance processes to simply enable continuous accounting and close. It also aims to enable finance professionals to focus on insights, analytics, and to simply help them to become true advisors and partners to business. AI.Controllership really helps to transform finance function to drive frictionless enterprise-level outcomes with enhanced efficiency, increased effectiveness, and improved compliance.
Well, I can certainly see the value in that for today's business. Can you please tell me some more about the solution itself?
The solution itself is underpinned by a digital framework of enablers, and it consists of several components. Let me list them. Data orchestration is key. It is about connecting all of the data sources to exchange the data between the systems in more real time. Delbumi is a good example of a solution we have for it. We use best-of-breed proven platforms like Cadence or Blackline. We deliver continuous controls and compliance monitoring through our AI.GRC solution. We also automate significant portion of process through our AI workforce. This brings us actually to next component, which is finance intelligence. Through automation, we release people from doing the repetitive activities and allow them to focus more on developing insights and analytics, with usage of tools like ARIA with inbuilt NLG component. Finally, we speak in our solution about controllership operating model. It allows us to become the trusted advisors to our partners and clients. All of these enablers form our AI.Controllership solution and help to deliver a lot of values for our clients, like continuous accounting, so to move away from this once-a-month mindset I mentioned already, continuous analysis to identify errors at source, faster close of books, improved financial controls at reduced cost, real-time access to data, or access to actionable insights for faster and well-informed decision-making process.
And I suppose you could say that all of this enables you to enhance the strength of your brand and market reputation and get better value out of your R2A operations.
That's correct. What's more, the components that make up our AI.Controllership offering can be used individually or as a suite. You can enable, for example, the frictionless accounting operations with fully automated calculations and processing of your journals through our new and innovative solution that we have recently developed. You could automate close and reporting with best-in-class scheduling and monitoring solution we have. You can introduce touchless intercompany solution with real-time reconciliations and monitoring. We also have other modules like enhanced bank reconciliations and treasury, touchless fixed assets, continuous certifications, or autonomous tax and statutory. These are all sub-modules that altogether stand as AI.Controllership solution, and it covers truly end-to-end record to analyze area.
Sounds really comprehensive, Robert. And so finally, would you say that it's a case of realigning the target operating model to deliver what we call the frictionless enterprise?
That's right. We recognize that true controllership service with taxes, statutory, compliance, with more focus on insights and analytics, requires different skill set, experience, and operating model. And here, Capgemini's digital global enterprise model comes into play. Our refreshed DGEM for controllership provides not only a complete overview of the recommended processes and technology, but it is guiding us also with the right digital operating model for organization. We introduce, for example, the role of controllers aligned to client line of business and being on guard of outcomes we want to deliver, which are quality, compliance, continuous accounting and reporting, continuous analysis, and simply to provide better service for business.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for being part of this insightful discussion today. And let's definitely continue the conversation soon.
No problem at all. Thank you again.